I'm Lindsay with Motormouth Wireless, bringing you more tips on how to get the most out of your smartphone. Now it's time to find out how to set a ringtone on your phone. If you've already watched some of our previous videos, then you've already found out about a couple of the apps we would suggest. The Music Junk and the Zedge, places where you can download full songs. To set a song as your ringtone, you want to go into your music player and find the song that you want. And if you want it to play, it can play, or you can press pause during this part. And pressing the menu key, maybe it has to play. Oh, it has to play to do it. Pressing the menu key, you have to press use as ringtone. Now that song will always be my ringtone whenever it rings. Another one that I've done is my alert on my alarm. Let's go here. I'll find my alarm clock. Okay. When you go to set up an alarm, you can actually choose its ringtone. Now the ringtone's going to be ones that are either saved in your Android system or your Zedge ringtones, which is why we suggest the Zedge, because you can download specific alerts to be set as the ringtone for your alarm clock. You can also, let's go home, in your contacts, choose a specific ringer for a contact. You go in there and you do edit contact. And if you go to the very bottom, there's your ringtone. You click on it and you can either choose from your music, which would be all my downloaded music, which includes the stuff that I download from my Music Junk. Okay. And then press done. So now whenever that person calls me, my phone will ring that ringtone. That's it for today. For more street smartphone tips, visit Motormouth Wireless at Facebook, Twitter, or Foursquare.